Ya, sa tarnatola may lumbi wa sawa. Go may kelito ko na tatani way tamabua, stabiro na biotin ko mitsaman. Nanumatala ni kilaleta. Au satu boleh tu kan itu dan bodoh salah tu ni baita u sadar tu mitsaman ni aro kayo. Sa andora ka do meso tenta sarap tu kana nonro update may pamuret tu nonro tu mi parense. Na dona papa bi tu la ka to ko ngoni bi tindara singsudu. Toto ka sa meso ta sartungan dali tamabua. Maro bali no mes tabiro sa may lulu bikila itu. Kalau ngata ciko na kamdro na biotin kalau ngata ciko na mengande. Di tan rumah ruta kan kay wanu ni pinakalala kalolis kontrosalis. Navalewu.
Okay guys, it's a funny shout out Bula to my tau whom we've just met. It's crazy. He drove past and saw us and he said, "Hey, those two looks familiar," because he's one of the subscriber and he always watch our video. And then he turned around on the busy street to come and say hi. He just called me, "Hey, tau, Germany." Weh, tau vinaka. Yo, vambula patalo tani bikim to measawa Yalombi. So he's from Yalombi. Also old boy KVS Naka, Navaleu, Kalongata, God bless.
No me quede.
Okay guys, so here we have subs. The famous subs here in library, Suba City Library Kapak. So Connie wanted the burger. So now she's gonna try the Fiji burger. From the famous TikToker here. Tomata. So you have other stalls here. Guys, so we were in Mid Road, Nambua. I wanted to buy some barbecue from there, but Connie wanted sandwich or burger, which they did not have. So yeah, now we are just taking this. It's my first time trying the subs, so I will try the subs. Singa tambo faya sawa. Oi, licin corona ambong.
Oh, sabu. Tapi tu min. Atau min silet. Atau min silet.
Oh, sasa min silet.
Tu sabi tanah cukup gitu kita. Na TikTok, eh? Untuk mana lang sir?
Ayo. Nara nimbita ba tayo may na sub?
Por siya man daw sab guli na.
Oh, isa siguro. Oh, isa. Subs. Burger. From my tomato stall, Katsi, Kanavinaka, Matenelabo. Wame. Okay guys, city life here in Suba. The music going on in the club. So we just finished eating. Melo's husband is here.
Yes, there is no crowd, there is no traffic.
That's good. Mango trees with this bread.
So yeah, after this I want to go and have some kava. Enjoy some kava somewhere, look for a kava bar. Yeah. Enjoying our last night here in Suva before we are heading back home tomorrow. Back to the west. Alright, let's go. So Hotel first.
Hey! Don't touch me when I'm busy.
Hey, you have the boil here.
No, that's the hill.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah? Bye. See you next time.
Alright. See you next time.
Hey, mata.
I'll be the first one there waiting at the airport.
Okay. Or next time.
So next time when you come around.
Don't worry, we'll come for sure. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Best regards to your wife in Australia.
Yes, thank you.
See you soon.
Yes.
Welcome.
Bye. See
Have a
you next
blessed
time.
trip. Yeah,
Thank
Naka.
you. Bye. See you next time. Yes, you too. Stay safe. You already say goodbye.
Goodbye again.
Goodbye again.
Safe trip.
So we will see you tomorrow, yes? Okay. Then we say tomorrow goodbye.
This is what again.
Bye. Out.
Wait.
Okay. Good. Then we are going to sing the last song.